Hey yo, this is Dash, and today you're joining me at the range, and I have the range to myself. And when I say this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time, we're about to have some fun. And wow.
Oh God.
Yo, that's crazy, right?
Crazy.
And luckily for you guys, more for me than you guys, I'm by myself. There's no one here. It is 4 hours on a Sunday. Shameless plug. I work almost every Sunday here at the Cindy's Hot Shots in Glen Burnie, Maryland. If you are in the area, feel free to come join me, hang out. You know, we'll literally shoot shit. Anyway, thank you guys for watching another one of these videos that kind of just came to me on my way into work this morning. All right, so what I have today is the Canik MC9, and I'm going to show you guys that it's free and clear. There's nothing here. Before I do load it, I'm going to tell you about what it is that I'm going to be doing. There was someone that was at the range last week, and he told me about this ammo, this Liberty Ultralight Plus P ammo. And when he let me feel around, that's when I said, okay, wow, that's crazy. With that being said, what I want to do is take some regular ball ammo and shoot it, and I want to show you slow motion shots of me shooting those particular ammos. And then I have some Plus Ps, and I'm not sure what these are, if they're spear gold dots or whatever. And then I also have some regular HSTs that we, I won't say we recommend for carry ammo for most folks. And I want to take, let's say, 3 shots out of each, and I'm going to just see how they are with the pistol, with the MC9LS. Figure the best way to see how it's going to work is to actually test it out. Now I'm testing this out. I have the target set up at 21 feet or 7 yards. I'll say however you want to. 21 feet or 7 yards, and we're just going to. I'm gonna load the pistol. And we're gonna go. All right, so I'm gonna put the light ammo, save those for the last 3 shots. So I'll show you guys these rounds here, and this is the top of the round. So I have a few that are brass casings. And I have a few that are like silver casing. Three of those. And I have HSTs, which are the normal. 1, 2. And I'll show you the HSTs. These are the Federal HSTs, and these are 124 grains, so a little heavier than the normal. And then our shop ball ammo are these MagTechs, so I'm going to put 3 rounds of MagTech in here, and that should give me a few different rounds to try and to test out. All right, so it looks like we have 15 rounds, and my target has 5 different spots to shoot, and I will try and stay on target, and we'll just go up and around. I'm putting the rounds, covering all of them back up, all of the boxes that I have, just to be safe as I drop stuff on the floor. Just to be safe, I don't want anything to hit one of these rounds on the table. I don't know if you've ever seen where a casing will hit a round of box, or excuse me, some ammo that's sitting on the counter. All right, no warm up, no nothing. At this point, I'm gonna try to get this light here so I can I'm gonna try to set up a slow-mo camera so you guys can see not only the real-time shots here, but the shots in slow motion. All right, enough talking. Let's get the cameras set up. Camera. Video. All right, there's one. I don't need the flash on. Turn that off. Okay. All right. So let's, again, we have 3 ball ammo, 3 HSTs, 3 of the silver, what I think are spears, 3 of the brass spears, and then the 3 ultralight rounds. So I'm going to shoot these. I'm not going to shoot them fast. I'm going to take my time and, you know, hopefully actually do a decent job aiming. We'll see how that goes. All right. Anyway, let's get this started. All right. Slow motion, baby. All right. The regular ball ammo, we're going to put that in the middle of the page. Actually, let's go bottom left so I can get warmed up, and I'll use the middle of the page as my my control for the All right, these are HSTs. We're going left top. All right, those are 124 grains. All right, so we got the spear plus P. Woo. And we have a malfunction. Let's see. Didn't load. I think it doesn't like this. Well, we'll see. There we go. Put that back in there. All right. And we got the brass ones. Oh, goodness. And wow. 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 Those ultralights are spicy. Gosh. Wow. I don't know if you could tell on camera. And wow. Wow. But wow. They are definitely spicy. Gosh, I don't even know how to explain it. It's one of those things where you can, not that I'm an expert or anything, but shooting a bunch of different rounds, I definitely felt the difference in those. And wow, even shooting, let's just, I'm gonna put 3 more HSTs in here, and I'll go to the top left, which was where the HSTs were. And I'm gonna put 3 more actually. Gosh, I'm like fangirling here with these ultralights. All right, so I have 15 left. I'm going to only shoot 2. Actually, I have another one in my pocket. The guy that put me onto these rounds, yep, there's another one. The guy that put me onto these rounds, he offered to let me shoot one last week when he was here at the range, and I didn't take him up on his offer, and I'm gonna say I should have, but I said, no, I'm not gonna shoot your ammo. It's pretty expensive. It was almost $40 for 20 rounds. But good golly, if you feel the difference between this box of 20 rounds or 15 rounds versus 15 conventional rounds, crazy. All right, so I'm gonna shoot 3 more HSTs. Let's close up the box here. 3 more HSTs and 3 more of the ultralights. Let's go. All right, top left. All right. And the ultralights. Gosh. I put 2 rounds in the same hole. All right. So this is Matt. Matt is one of the owner's sons, and he shot a decent amount of pistols. So we're going to give him 2 of the ultralights, 2 of the spears, and 2 HSTs. And he's also going to be shooting out of the MC9LS, which is his favorite pistol, by the way.
Not Turkish garbage.
Damn, son. All right, here, you go ahead.
Should I teacup it for the grand?
I mean, no. All right, go top right. Should I film what you're actually hitting or just worry about?
No.
All right.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy, right?
Crazy.
I wish you'd have been more in frame but you can, it's hard to explain to someone who doesn't shoot often or not enough, but you can definitely see and feel the difference in that ultralight shot. It was like, pow! It was, I won't say abrasive, but I don't think I would want to shoot that indoors if I didn't have hearing protection on. Yeah. Spicy for sure.
For sure.
All right, man. Thank you. My goodness. I really don't know how else to explain that these rounds are spicy. On the box it says that they're coming out of the pistol at 2040 feet per second. This one doesn't say oh no, it does. All right, so it says muzzle velocity is, so this doesn't say where it's coming out at 2000 plus feet per second, but the velocity on this one is 1,150, which is almost double. Now, mind you, this is also 124 grain, so it's going to be a little slower, but still. Let's see, does MagTech say? Nope, it does not. It doesn't say the velocity out of this one. But I want to say I'm sold on the lightness of this particular round on the, my God, goodness, it's crazy. I'm gonna sit here for a couple minutes and I'm gonna shoot off a couple of the extra rounds that I have. Some of these other older rounds that I've had for a while, just to kind of get rid of them. But it's crazy to think that this ammo, it being as light as it is spicy. I will do a comparison of HSTs in weight and also the ultralights in weight. Because I'm switching. I have switched my carry ammo. My EDC currently is the SFT, the Mete SFT, and I have 21 rounds, so 20 plus 1 rounds of this ultralight in that pistol, and I also have a spare mag, and in this spare mag I have 22 rounds in, and so much lighter. I could carry two full mags of the ultralight, and it would probably still not weigh the same amount as a regular conventional. But anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. Hopefully, I won't say you learned something, but maybe you'll be able to go out and give this Liberty ammo a try. And if someone from Liberty Ammunition wants to reach out to me and hook me up, I saw that there's a few different other types of rounds that they carry. I don't have real deep pockets, so I was unable to buy a whole bunch of different ammo. But if someone is willing to help me out or wants to sponsor me more or less so that I can try some different things, feel free, let me know, reach out to me. I'd greatly appreciate it. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.